Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on over today. I'm gonna do a little thing for my quotes book. I've made this ticket strip a long time ago with some stamps that I had bought, and I just played with this and I made it double-sided, and it's like I can't rip one off and put it in something, so I thought I'll put a quote on here of some sort. And how I'm going to do that: black with white pens, and I'm just going to try to write, and then I'll cut it up and put it on here and then all in the back as well. And that's my thoughts right now. That's my thoughts right now. And I chose black, and I want to write with white pen. I don't know which one of these is going to work best. I'm thinking this one. Sometimes my Uniballs work, sometimes they don't. My Jelly Rolls usually work too, so we'll see. But what I'm going to use is a verse out of 1 Peter, casting all your cares on him because he cares for you. And I'm going to change that to my cares and he cares for me. And that's what I'm going to put on here, and it should fit. And I'm just going to print, I think. So not a big deal. Some of these look like I barely even use them, and it almost looks like it's dried up. So I don't know. And just to let you know, my craft room's a little cold. It is a balmy 64, 68 degrees. Great during a hot flash. Okay, let's try some pens on black. And I just took some black strips from all my scrapbook paper that I have left over. Any of this work? Oh, hey, look at that. I can make some fun little squiggly lines there. That's not bad. So we will set that aside. Check out my Jelly Roll pen. It's okay too. Let's try the white Pitsy Art paint pen, because that's just, oh yeah, that's the brightest, so we'll use that. And I just have some extra strips here. I'm gonna make my words a little bit far apart so that I can cut them. Yeah. Keep this in here too. It's kind of hard to write when it's so tiny. And I am pluralizing cares because there's plenty to go around. Capitalize him. And the verse is 4, but I like because. I just want because. And my lid's missing. How does that happen? I'm working in this tiny itty bitty space. How in the world did I lose my lid? Okay, I'll find it later. Okay, so a glue stick. Pull you back again. Trim these off. Do that. Could do that just like that. Seriously, where's my lid? Baffling. No, it's right there. Ugh. That is so funny. Okay. And I'm just going to put them on here random. Thought about making them fancier with all, make them outlined or whatever. But why? Let's do one more little thing here. Make it a little arrow type thing. Let's put this one over here. And then just put it in here. Yeah, I like that. Just a little thing. Just a little thing. Put it there. It's pretty thick. But yeah, I made some pockets to put some things in this. It's a little fun little thing, okay? That is all, you guys. And adding more to my quotes book here and there, a little bit here and there. I have more quotes that I'm going to put in here. So that's it for today. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on over. And cast your cares on him, for he cares for you. I like it. That's fun. It's so simple. Okay. Take care. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.